So we're in the conference room and the players have just come in and I'm so excited to interview them.
And as luck would have it, a master of the industry just happens to be nearby.
What are some tips that you'd use for interviewing someone?
Well, I guess a simple one is to try and make someone feel comfortable. It's kind of a bit awkward, isn't it? We're here we got lights and cameras, but you want to make them feel kind of comfortable. You want to make them feel that you're going to be asking them interesting questions.
What is it like to talk about all the tough questions?
Well, sometimes you have to ask the tough questions because remember, your job is to represent the viewers, the people who've been watching the game, and they probably have questions. Again, try and be respectful, but you've got to ask hard questions sometimes because it's a tough professional sport.
It's time to put those skills to the test.
What's the maddest thing about being a professional footballer?
Yeah, there's a lot. We've got boot rooms, we've got our kit wash for us every day so my mum doesn't have to do that.
What's it like to play for Man United?
It is so exciting. There's lots of expectation, lots of pressure. And when you win games and when you win trophies, it feels like the best thing in the world.
If you had to go through all your contacts on your phone, who's the most famous person?
Apart from Katie McCabe, because that's a really obvious one, is probably Katie Taylor.
What sort of songs do you listen to before a match?
I am a big, huge Taylor Swift fan, so when I have my own headphones on, anything Taylor Swift.
What's it like to be involved with the Irish team?
It's really like a family vibe in here. We all play abroad, most of us anyway. So coming in here, you just feel like you're at home. So I feel like for any young girl growing up, there's no doubt that if you work hard enough, you can be in here with us.
Lily might be done with the girls, but they have one more thing in store for her.
This is for you, signed by the team and myself.
Oh my God, all the signatures of all the players are on this jersey. This is the coolest possession I've ever had. Come on, Ireland.